Alright, so here is my 1988 Jeep Cherokee with a 4-liter diesel Isuzu engine in it. And it's been sitting here for about 4 years now, unfortunately, and it hasn't been turned on in just over 2, so see the tires still have air in it, so that's not bad. Use a little pump up and a bunch of spares in there, and we'll see if we can get it fired up. It's been a couple years. The battery goes in the back here. If it turns on, I will be surprised, happy, but pleasantly surprised. Hopefully the battery's not out of commission either. I did charge it at some point last year, but that was in the winter, and that was a while ago, so as usual, it's one of those guessing games. Put it on and put the positive on. Probably should check under the hood before I do anything. Who knows, there might be nests in there. It's not the nicest looking engine in the world, but this is what makes the truck pretty unique, I think. Unfreaking believable. That hasn't been turned on for over 2 years. That's really incredible. I've had some interesting cars over the years, and as ridiculously as modified as this one is, and it's been made from a gas to a diesel, I drove it for 6 years with no problems. You know, the engine was always working out. You can see here, I haven't driven, I haven't done anything to it for years, and it still fires. So it just goes to show you how good a vehicle like this is. Well, it's got almost no brakes, but it runs, so there you go. 1988. My dad bought this for me when I was 16 years old. I'm 29 now, so still have it, and let's see what happens.